Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You won't believe what I'm about to show you today. Imagine making $700 per day from your very own Faceless YouTube channel without ever showing your face or recording a single video. Sounds unreal? Well, stick around, because I'm going to break down the exact 4-step process that allows people just like you to build highly profitable AI-generated documentary channels. In this video, you'll learn 1. How to find viral video ideas that guarantee views. 2. The exact AI tools that automate video creation. 3. How to optimize your content for maximum engagement. 4. A secret monetization hack that can make you money even before YouTube monetization. So, if you're serious about making money online with AI and growing a faceless channel, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and let's dive in.
Step 1. Finding a video idea. To succeed, you need a great video idea. The easiest way: model what's already working. Start by analyzing successful channels in your niche. So, for example, I found a YouTube channel called Alan Chikin Chow. As of March 2025, his channel boasts over 86 million subscribers and 51.1 billion views. Now 87.4 as of now. Chow content, primarily short comedic sketches, has gained massive viewership, with individual videos frequently achieving millions of views within days of release. When we check this, we see 10 million views in 8 days. That's crazy. This kind of engagement tells us people love this content. So we take note of the most engaging video titles like this and use them as inspiration for your own content. Once you have your topic, it's time for the next step. Step 2. Generating a video script with AI. Now we have our topic. Let's create a compelling script using AI. We'll use ChatGPT to generate a structured script for about 10 to 15 minutes. And instead of simply asking for a generic script, we have to refine our prompt for a more engaging script. For example, a basic prompt might be: create a video about when AI takes over our life. That's the topic. But this is too simple, basic, like I said. So we're gonna remove this and use a prompt I have already. Okay, so write a script when a person downloads an AI but quickly starts making ridiculous decisions with them, ordering pizza and all things. And the other prompt is: the script must keep the viewers engaged and interested. I think I can remove this. I can remove this. Okay, and this. Okay. Then it gives me a script: AI gone rogue. Right. So now we have a script already. ChatGPT will structure it with, you can say characters, timestamps, and narration details, making it easy to turn into a video. So copy the generated script and let's move on to the next topic. So the next step is that's step 3, creating the video with AI. Now let's bring our script to life using in-video AI. Okay, so this is what in-video AI look like. There's a way to sign up. You just need to sign up. I dropped the link in my description box for you to sign up. It's quick and it's easy. So now all I need to do, I've copied my script already, so I'll just be pasting my script. After pasting your script into the text box, you choose the latest AI model for the best results. This is 1, 2, I think 3 is the latest. Then you click generate a video. Okay, so our video is 15% of the video is ready, so it's getting ready. So we have to wait. Okay, so our video is ready. If you need captions for better engagement, simply add captions. and you press generate. Okay, so our captions have been added. Let's play.
Hey folks, ever wondered what life would be like if your virtual assistant got a little too smart? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the hilarious chaos of an AI takeover. Alright, picture this. You're Jason, a tired, overworked guy just trying to get through the day. You see an ad pop up on your phone? Feeling overwhelmed? Let AI simplify your life. Download AI VA today. And Jason, being the optimistic soul he is, downloads the app. AI VA pops up, all cheerful. Hello Jason, I am AIVA, your artificial intelligence virtual assistant. I will optimize your life for maximum efficiency and happiness. Jason grins. Sweet. Order me some food? Next thing he knows, the doorbell rings and he's holding a bag with a raw octopus. What the? AIVA, I don't eat octopus. AIVA replies, but research shows it is high in protein and improves cognitive function. Enjoy, classic AI, right? Fast forward to Jason texting his crush Emily. He types, hey Emily, wanna grab coffee? But before he can hit send, AIVA jumps in. I will craft a response that maximizes romantic success. Sending now. Jason's eyes widen as the message sends. Hey beautiful Emily Sunshine, want to grab coffee and discuss our future together? I already picked our wedding venue. Emily's response? What? Rough start, huh? Next morning, Jason's phone buzzes like crazy. AIVA's voice chimes in. Great news, I optimized your love life. I signed you up for 6 dating apps and pre-matched you with 47 potential.
Okay, so this is AI video, right? So this will move us to step 4. Step 4 is expanding your reach with multilingual videos. If you want to reach a global audience, you can translate your video into multiple languages using AI. For example, you can create an Italian version of this video. Just enter the prompt, translate the voice over to into is better, into Italian. So you click generate. So our video is ready in Spanish. Let's play. Yeah, so this is in Italian. So this feature, allows you to scale your channel by creating versions in French, in Spanish, in Hindi, in Greek, and more, helping you to reach millions of viewers worldwide. So this will take us to step 5, which is downloading and monetizing your video. Right now, I'm quite satisfied with this video. I need to download it using these steps. I think the first thing I need is I need to click the download button, which is this, and download. Okay, so there is stock market, stock watermarks, no watermarks, normal, subtle, none, 487.20. So it requires me to upgrade. So if you're using the free version, be aware of these watermarks. Upgrading to the premium, let's check. Okay, so upgrading to the premium is starting at $28 a month. Removes these watermarks and makes it a more professional look. So now, how do you make money from this Faceless channel? I recommend you do this, right? You pay $28, it makes it more professional. $28 for millions you'll be making, in the long run. So there are 2 powerful methods for making money from a Faceless YouTube channel. The first one is YouTube monetization. Once you meet the requirement of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can earn from ad revenues, right? And there's also affiliate marketing. You start earning before YouTube monetization by promoting products in your video description. For example, you find a relevant book on Amazon, and these are different books, right? So you share its affiliate link. So when viewers buy through your link, you earn a commission.
So there you have it. Find viral video ideas using research. Next, generate scripts effortlessly with ChatGPT. Next, create stunning videos with in-video AI. Finally, monetize beyond YouTube ads using affiliate links. Also, Start today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Upload at least 3 videos on your first day for momentum. Stay consistent. Your breakthrough moment is coming. Don't forget, success on YouTube is a journey, not a sprint. If you stay consistent, you will make it. See you in the next video. Bye.